I decided that I would try something new for my birthday instead of just going and doing a bunch of activity, that I would take myself to dinner and also get a massage. For my spa, I booked a lymphatic drainage, and I want to say it took 2 hours, and I've never gone to gotten a 2 hour massage, and it was really good. And this was in the heart of Bali. It was very serene. Everything was just right up my alley, the serenity of it and everything. This is the one that I booked, but it was well worth it. And I think it was just under 50 Canadian dollars. I would do that very often if I lived in Bali and I was earning in CAD or USD. Jamaica? Yeah, you know Jamaica? Yeah? Yes. No, Wednesday, well, yeah, Thursday morning, early morning. So it's Thursday, so not yesterday, the day before.
What did you do yesterday?
I just went into the town, like up into the area, just to see what it's like.
So
Yeah.
I mean, if you come alone,
Yeah.
you need to know to
Uh-huh.
because we have the house. We need to make like a same. This house is another house is same building, but different of your money you make beautiful or not.
Yes,
It's
like
not
your
100%.
decoration. Yes, design.
Decoration is similar.
And I know that the ladies at mine, they do an offering
Yeah, and also we do the
daily.
ceremony. All the opening we do every day.
Yes, I hear them singing.
Also we do the twice. At home we try for the what do you cook? You can add the
Oh, pieces of it. Because yes, sometimes I see rice on the flour, the offering that they do, and other things.
yeah, usually you take the banana leaf and
Uh-huh.
then you put the rice.
Yes.
What do you cook? You can put at the top of the rice.
Uh-huh.
Like you said thank you to the God. Today I hope this food.
I'm here for my massage. For my birthday. Upon entering, I was greeted and I was asked to choose the scents I wanted for my lymphatic bore treatment. And then I paid, and Sidani, my massage therapist, came to get me. Oh no, I did before I come. So I didn't drink any water, so I should be fine.
Where you stay in Bali?
Umah San, so it's not too far.
Sana.
Yeah, maybe I'm mispronouncing it. Yeah, but it's maybe 17 minutes away.
From work?
Yeah.
Thanks to Christmas.
Will do. Okay. Thank you.
I'll be take care.
Sure. God, it's so fragrant. So they were to wash my feet first. I'm doing a lymphatic massage. It is so fragrant. I'm at Ariel, like, why this in me after massage bath? A bunch of twigs. Oh, the massage was amazing. It's a lymphatic bore. So you choose your sacred, you choose the oil blend that you want. So I went with the sacred oil, and I think it's a 2 hour massage. Once that's done, it was amazing. Then there's a scrub with things that smell really amazing. And after the scrub is done, you come into this bath for 30 minutes that contains Indonesian or Balinese, I don't know, tree bark, herbs, whatever it is, but it smells so good. Worth it. It's at Ubud Bodyworks Center. Oh man, I felt like a new person after the massage. After massage, delight. So ginger tea, papaya, and I guess a brown sugar sauce to go with the papaya. Big up to Sidania for how she handle and triangle the body here. Boy, me feel so good. I want it hot. I don't want to be hot for my birthday.
Oh yeah, yeah. But so you want to do the
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh no. This is so sweet.
To you.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Oh, thanks guys.
The cake for you.
Hi. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank
I appreciate it so much.
I hope you like it.
Thank you. This is so thoughtful. Yeah. Would you like a piece of cake? Do you want a piece of cake? It's okay. Oh, this is beautiful. This was such a kind and thoughtful thing that the Umah San team did for me. So I looked to see what was available in Bali, and as I said, I'm a vibe person. So what the outside of it looks like, and less of a food person, and I decided on the Sayan House. Let's see if I can see the pictures of what I saw that won me over. It was overlooking a rice field, which is a big deal in Bali, and it was gorgeous. The Sayan House also has a villa, but I did not stay at the villa, but it looks right up my alley. And as I said, I went to the restaurant and it was worth it. Like the view from the restaurant, I don't think they have any photos on this that will do it justice, but it was gorgeous. And so I booked it.
Okay, we are here.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Don't wanna stay inside. I'm trying to show you something new tonight. Hours from paradise. Won't even have to tell me when or why. And I'm down to go when she tired of snow. So
I wonder what tree this is. It's huge. This is a massive tree. Look at
don't
that.
wanna stay inside. I'm trying to show you something new tonight.
I wonder what it is.
Hours from paradise. Won't even have to tell me when or why. And I'm down to go when she tired of snow. So we'll ride the boat in Galapagos or try the rolls out in Tokyo. Just tell me where you ain't been before. Come pack your bags and leave your baggage. No one needs to understand it. Spending more than what I got. Cause why waste life on something average? There's more than killing all this time.
Make kombucha.
Just to feel alive, yeah. Come Come meet me on the other side, yeah.
This is 290,000, not $290. That's thousand. I ordered chicken namban, garlic paprika powdered chicken. I don't know what namban is. The yuca fries. Yuca is cassava. This is wasabi aioli, but the yuca fries, they have an aftertaste. I think they probably put something in it because this doesn't taste like cassava. I mean, yuca is arrowroot. I thought it was supposed to be white. Yeah, it has an aftertaste. I don't like it. I think it's wasabi, but it's doing something to my sinuses. Oh, I feel it in my brain, and my nostril, and my ears. That's what it looks like. And a passion fruit cocktail.
California king, give the concierge a ring. The massage is here, heaven, mama. I wanna take you places your ex couldn't afford to stay in. Hotels more than your own room, chasing that feeling through the sunroof. Anywhere that you like, I'll show you islands that they don't have a map or flying. Tattoos all on your passport, dying to see the world you asked for. No more wasting our time.
Thank you.
Paradise won't even have to tell me when or why.
So many croquis. That is my cue to head home. Not home, but yeah, too many croquis. Oh.
What I got, 'cause why waste life on something average? There's more than killing all this time, yeah, just to feel alive, yeah, yeah. Come meet me